How to fix pause reel option not working on Instagram. Open up Instagram first and make sure that you're logged in. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and head over to the reel section from the bottom navigation bar. So as you can see, in order to pause a reel, you just have to go ahead and tap on it and you'll see the pause option, and you could also mute the reel if you want from here. So go ahead and tap on it, or you could just long press and hold on your screen to pause. But if this is not working, this might be because Instagram has recently added this feature where you can tap and pause the reel like this. But if this option is not working, then you can have to tap on your profile at the bottom right. Then simply head over to the top right and then scroll down until you find help and then report a problem. Now continue without shaking. Then you can include the diagnostics if you want. Briefly explain that your tap to pause reel option is not working and then send it. You'll get a reply within a few days and just follow the instruction. You'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.